In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect your Tradenation account on Tradingview. First, head to the Tradingview charting interface. Often referred to as supercharts, this is the main chart screen where you do your analysis. Once you are there, look to the bottom of the screen for the trading panel. If it's minimized, click the tab to expand it. The trading panel is where all supported brokers appear and where you'll manage your connection. Next, find Tradenation in the list of available brokers. You should see a grid of broker logos and names. If Tradenation isn't immediately visible, click the option to see all brokers to reveal the full list. Then scroll until you locate the Tradenation icon. Select it to proceed. Now, click the Connect button. This will open a secure login window for your Tradenation account. If a new window doesn't appear, check whether your browser is blocking pop-ups and allow the window to launch. You'll be logging in through Tradenation's secure portal, which keeps your account information protected. In the login window, enter your Tradenation account username and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you'll be prompted to enter the verification code. Have your authenticator app or text message ready so you can complete this step promptly. Because codes typically expire after a short time, only enter your details on the official login screen and never share them with anyone. Once your credentials are verified, the connection will be established. You'll see your Tradenation account reflected in the trading panel, along with key details like your account name and available funds. From here, you can place trades directly from the chart, using the on-chart buy and sell buttons or the order ticket in the panel. You can also monitor open positions and manage orders without leaving the chart, which streamlines your execution and keeps your workflow focused. If you encounter an error during login, double-check your username and password. Confirm that your two-factor code is current and try again. Small typos or expired codes are the most common culprits. That's it. Thanks for watching.